Hello everyone, welcome to the session today. In this today's series, we will understand the integration part. So most of the organizations, most of the companies, they use two types of integrations. So today we are going to understand about the production planning integration with the extended warehouse management. Today's our topic is integration. Here we will understand production planning integration with extended warehouse management. First we will understand why we require this integration, okay? And why we require the production planning integration to integrate with the extended warehouse management. Very simple, I will explain. Before that, I will explain you, we have here in the extended warehouse management, or when we talk about the production planning integration, different kinds of integrations. Like for an example, delivery based integration, where we use inbound delivery or outbound delivery or document based integration, okay, with the EWM, where we use the inbound or outbound deliveries. Another type of integration we have just in time. Another type of integration we have MES. Another type of integration we call this is an advanced production integration. In the short form, we call API. So why this advanced production integration came into the picture? Why we require this? I will explain you today. Suppose this is your warehouse. This is your warehouse building. Before I will explain you, we have the different kind of integration. Number first, we have the delivery based. Then I will explain you through the diagram. Delivery based. Here I will, in the bracket, I will put the document based integration. Integration with whom? Production planning plus EWM. Simple. Second, we have the here advanced production integration. I will explain you why we call this as an advance. Okay, I will explain you why we have this is advance. I will do little zoom, then you will see more clearly. Okay, so there is a specific reason, that's why this integration name we have the advanced production integration. Number 3 we have MES. Number 4 we have JIT, in the full form we call just in time. So fifth we have here so when we talk about delivery base means here we have the inbound delivery and outbound delivery based integration, PP plus EWM. So when we talk about the advanced production integration, there is something is there. That's why we call this as an advanced production integration. Very simple. We use advanced production integration most of the times. For an example, when we have the sender, storage, type, which provides the raw materials to whom? Production supply area. I will explain you. And we have the receiver, storage, type, which is the PSA, production area, production supply area. Facility is the specific area. Okay, both we have in the same warehouse, in one warehouse. Okay, so here we have the delivery base and manufacturing. We have manufacturing, execution, systems, driven. Okay, driven, DRIVEN, staging. Staging means when we place the goods to the production supply area. Okay, now I will explain you one by one. So I will cover this is the advance. Okay, advance. Why we use advanced production integration? Why we use the delivery based or document based integration, PP plus EWM.